5. Galaxy Dex support. Puts desktop-style functionality in your pocket for the first time on a Flip.6. Largest battery, at 4,300 mAh. Offers real-world endurance throughout the day. 7. Premium durability, Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Armor frame, an IP48 rating for water resistance 0.8. Versatile camera tools, ProVisual engine, enhanced nightography, real-time filters, dual preview on the folded screen. 9. Extended update commitment, 7 years of OS and security updates, a major longevity. Boost. 10. Customizable cover screen UI with widgets. AI chat, wallpapers, camera shortcuts now more functional than ever. Each feature not only upgrades hardware, but also enhances daily usage for productivity, creativity, and durability. What's different from Flip 6? Screen sizes. Plus 0.2 internal, plus 0.7 external battery, plus 300 mAh cover screen. Larger, now. 120 Hz versus 60 Hz chipset. Switch from Snapdragon to Exynos to 500. Durability improved hinge. Slimmer design, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 software, 1 UI 8 with Galaxy AI and Dex cameras, same hardware, but better software and FlexWindow support given these upgrades. Even Flip 6 users may find the jump compelling. Release date and price. Pre-orders started. July 9th, 2025 official on-sale date. July 25th, 2025. Pricing is 256 gigabytes, $1,099.99. 512 gigabytes, $1,219.99. Pricing UK 256 gigabytes, £1,049. 512 gigabytes, £1,149. Europe Euro prices, €1,209. 256 gigabytes. €1,329, 512 gigabytes. Flip 7 FE variant, 128 gigabytes, $899, £849. Euro 256 gigabytes, $959, £909. WHY by IT. B design and displays, folding tech that feels, looks, and functional. Productivity boosts. AI tools plus Dex equals mini workstation. Usability, big cover screen means fewer flips. Longevity, 7-year support makes it a sound long-term investment. Portability, compact yet powerful. At just 188G, cons to consider Snapdragon. Users, Exynos 2500 performs, but may trail in peak benchmarks. Camera hardware is unchanged, software enhancements help. But no telephoto lens, cover screen app support still lagging, unless you use. Good lock tweaks. Flip 7 FE may feel too close to Flip 6 and doesn't include Dex or full AI features. So, Galaxy Z Flip 7 is more than just a slimmer flip. It's a leap forward in usability, AI-driven experience, and long-term support. For users curious about foldables, especially those who appreciate innovation and flexibility, this is arguably the most refined flip yet. And with carrier deals around launch at no extra cost, now might be the perfect time to make the leap. So is the Galaxy Z Flip 7 worth the upgrade? If you're into futuristic form factors, smarter AI tools, and all-day battery life in your pocket, you already know the answer. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. More deep dives on the latest foldables, iPhones, and flagship killers every week.